brilliant. The people, the whole concept is of course fabulous. It's one of the last adventures you can have, I believe. It's superb.
The countryside's the prettiest. It's very, very nice. It's actually been great road quality as well, so it's really, really good driving.
Watch down. Rolling. Sink in there. Go.
It was on the bucket list for a long time. We did a lot of endurance rallies, and this one still was missing on the list. So.
The reg was awesome. Great terrain, just a lot of fun. Got a little sideways at a couple spots. We fixed the car, so knock on wood, doing great. Man, this is such a good time. I love it.
Just turn it over and see what's.